push! You push president! You push president!
No. I'm the boss. Boss of Ella.
You are boss, Ella? Oh, hi. I am Bill.
Tama na yan. Ako na lang. Pakit ka ng pakit eh. Bill is my boyfriend. He is my future husband. This is Baldo. He is my future brother-in-law. And this is Eston. He is not their brother, but he will be my brother-in-law soon. And this is Budoy, and he is a good boy. Budoy, sit!
Medyo malabo ka mag-English. Papaya mo ko, Loyan. Hi. Ernesto is a name. Name, soon a name. I am an orphan because my dad and my mom is died. Now, this guy is this guy. He is my second father.
Labo eh. Forget it. He is a Down syndrome. You know? Naintindihan mo yun? Mongoloid ka. Lumabas ka doon. This is my pet. He is a Tasmanian devil. Basta nga dyan, nakaharang ka kasi dyan eh.
Okay, wait. Boss. This is where Kevin Cosmo lives.
Okay.
Remember the news you saw on television?
Yeah.
This is where it happened.
Ah, okay.
That's right.
Yes.
This is my house.
That is our house. You have white house there. We have gray house. That is gray.
Akala greyhound too. This is a house, a small house, but it is a home. Ella is right. Ella. And I hope you understand what I'm saying.
Oo naman. Dito kayo nakatira, di ba?
Ha? Marunong ka Tagalog?
Oo naman. Tagalog na.
Yabang pa.
Hirapan pa tayo.
Anak-araw lang yata ito eh.
Patungkol ko to eh.
Kevin Cosme! Kayo si Kevin Cosme!
Ako nga si Kevin. Bakit?
Hindi ka sumama kasama!
Bakit? Sino ko sasama?
Hindi, pwede yan.
Hey!